subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to stop iPhone from automatically connecting to Wi-Fi networks. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Ask to join networks. Currently it is set to Notify. With this settings, you will be notified of available networks. Select Ask if you want to be asked before joining new network. Select Off if you want to manually select a network. This is how you can stop iPhone from automatically connecting to Wi-Fi networks. Thank you for watching.